Good morning, students. I hope all of you are fine today. So students, we will start a new chapter in mathematics, which is money. So students, the chapter's name is very interesting. That is money. So what do you mean by money, students? See, students, we often have to buy different things in order to live our life securely and safely. For example, as you're reading in school, so you need to buy books, copies, and a lot of other stuffs. Okay, so for that, okay, you need money. You need money to buy all those things. Okay, so what do you mean by this? So we need to buy different things with the help of which we use money. So in our country, that is India, the unit of money is rupee, students. So as we have to do some calculations in this chapter, so we need to remember one thing. 1 rupee means 100 paise. Okay, just remember this. 1 rupee means 100 paise, students. Alright, so students, there are some short forms which we have to remember. That is, when you see the word rupee, you can use the short form as capital R and small e, that is RE. Whenever you see the word rupees is written, you can simply write as capital R and small s. And when you are using the word paise, you can use the short form as small p. Okay, small p, students. So see, students, these are the denominations, okay, which we use. That is, this is the 50 paise, 1 rupee, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin, 10 rupees note, 20, 200, 500. Let me show you the rupees note, students. See, students, this is the 5 rupee. See, now students, this is the 10 rupee. Okay, and students, this is the 2 rupee coin. See, this is the 2 rupee. You can see this. Okay, next, this is the 1 rupee, students. Alright, now let's check out some notes. Students, this is the note rupees 10. You can see this? That's right. Students, this is the rupee 100. Correct? See? Okay? And students, this is the rupee 50. Alright, students? Now students, if you just see this, just before the number 100, this is the symbol of rupee, students. In words which we use RS, now this is the symbol of capital R and small s, that is rupees. So we use this symbol of rupees instead of writing this word. Okay, you can also write this symbol as rupees. Alright, students? Okay? Okay. Now students, we will try to determine some conversions. Okay, so our first conversion is changing rupees to paise, and we will also learn how to change paise to rupees. Okay, so students, take out the notebooks first and we will be doing the sums. So students, our first sum is rupees 25. Now students, we need to convert this rupees into paise. So as we have known that 1 rupees means 100 paise. So rupees is a bigger unit and paise is a smaller unit. So whenever you are converting from a bigger unit to a smaller unit, you always multiply. Okay? So as we are converting rupees to paise, so we will multiply 100 paise with this rupees. So see, students, rupees 25 we are converting into paise. So 25 multiply, as we are converting from bigger unit to a smaller unit, so it will be multiply 100 paise. So as you have done the multiplication, so if you do the multiplication, then the answer will be 2500 paise, students. It is very easy. See, if you just multiply 25 into 1, it will be 25, and put the remaining 2 zeros here. Okay, so the answer will be 2500 paise. Now moving to the next one, see, I have written the new symbol which is used in the denomination notes as I have seen you, okay, as I have just seen you in the notes, alright. So rupees 15 means 15 multiply 100 paise. So the answer will be 1500 paise, students. Okay, so we have converted the bigger unit to the smaller unit. Now students, moving on to another one. Now you will be surprised that what is this? So see students, this is called as point. Okay, so why we use this point? See, this is rupees 8.50 paise. Okay, so whenever you will write the point, the paise is not written here. The paise will be not written here. Okay, so the question will be rupees 8.50. That means whenever you see this point means the after point, whatever the number is there, this is denoted as paise. So 8 is in the unit rupees and 50 is in the unit paise. So students, as we are converting rupees to paise, so we only need to convert this 8, not this 50 paise, because it is already in the paise symbol. Okay, so see students, rupees 8.50 means rupees 8 and plus 50 paise. Okay, so I have just omitted this decimal, omitted this point, and I have put the plus sign. So now I have to convert this 8 rupees into paise. So next, see, I have just multiplied 100 with 8 and I have just remained the 50 paise as it is. Okay students, now after multiplying 100 paise into 8, you will get the answer as 800 paise, students. See, 800 paise. So 800 paise plus 50 paise. So 800 paise plus 50 paise. You will add, and after that you will get the answer as 850 paise. So see students, I am repeating once again that whenever you see this point means after point whatever number is there, it will be in the unit paise. So as this is already in paise, so you will not convert this 50 paise. Now in the second step, I have just taken this point up and I have put the plus sign so that I can convert this 8 into paise, and next I will add these two paise to get the final answer, that is 850 paise. Now students, we will now calculate, or we will now determine how to change the paise to rupees. Now students, whenever you are converting from smaller unit to a bigger unit, then you will not multiply by 100, instead of you will divide by 100. Okay, you will not multiply by 100. Again, as you are converting from smaller unit to a bigger unit, so instead of multiplying, you will divide. See, I have done this sum. This is 750 paise. So now I have to convert paise to rupees. So what I am doing 750 paise divided by 100. So now students, 100 will be the divisor, 750 will be the dividend. Now we have to remember, or we have to just do the division as we have learned in our previous chapter, that is the division chapter. So 100 multiply 7, students, it will be 700. See, I have just put 700 beneath the 750. Now I have subtracted it. After subtracting, you will get the answer as 50. Now students, see, 100 is the divisor and 50 is the remainder. So we cannot divide 50 by 100. Okay, so the remainder which we have got, this will be in the unit paise, and the question which you have got, this will be the unit as rupees. So you can write this as rupees 7 and 50 paise, or you can write in this format as well, that is rupees 7 and 50 paise will be 0.50. Okay students, so in this way we will convert rupees to paise, and also we can convert paise to rupees. Okay students, so students, that's all for today. In our next video we will continue with this chapter. So thank you for today class.